The 2025 Astro Van Motorhome is finally here, and it's bringing back that classic van life vibe with a bold, modern twist. If you're a fan of compact campers with retro charm and modern features, this one's going to blow your mind. The iconic Chevy Astro van has been reimagined for the new era of travel, now transformed into a fully capable motorhome that's perfect for weekend escapes or full-time van life. On this channel, 2025 Astro Van Motorhome, we're diving deep into everything this epic machine has to offer. The exterior of the 2025 Astro Van Motorhome maintains that boxy, nostalgic shape we all loved, but it's been updated with LED lighting, sleek alloy wheels, and rugged off-road touches. Its compact size makes it super maneuverable, whether you're cruising through city streets or heading off the beaten path. The pop-up roof adds headroom and versatility, giving it a more spacious feel once you're parked at your favorite campsite. It's got a clean, adventure-ready design that combines form and function with ease. Inside, this van really shines. The 2025 model makes full use of every inch. There's a fold-out bed that comfortably sleeps two, a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction stove, and fridge, and a cozy dining setup that transforms into extra storage space when needed. The materials feel upscale yet durable, with natural wood finishes and soft LED lighting that creates a warm, inviting vibe. Solar panels on the roof power the interior electronics, and there's even a small bathroom module with a composting toilet and outdoor shower setup, all packed into a van that fits in a standard parking space. Driving the 2025 Astro Van Motorhome is surprisingly smooth. It's powered by a fuel-efficient hybrid engine that delivers strong torque while keeping emissions low. The suspension has been reworked for comfort and stability, and modern driver assist features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera make long drives stress-free. Whether you're heading into the mountains or pulling into a lakeside campground, the Astro gets you there with confidence and comfort. The rebirth of the Astro Van as a 2025 motorhome is more than just nostalgia. It's a signal that compact, practical RVs are making a serious comeback. Stick with us here on the 2025 Astro Van Motorhome channel for more tours, test drives, and behind-the-scenes content. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know where you'd take this awesome little van first.